we've sanded to 400 grit, but that's not good enough. So what we're going to do is use one of my favorite things, and that's Yorkshire grit paste. This is the standard paste, and it's an abrasive, so it's going to help me polish. That's the fine. And when you see this starting to change colors and shine, it's amazing. So I'm going to put this on lightly. I'm going to try not to splatter Brian at all, but I am going to pick the paste back up and go up to 3000. If you know something funny, the paper towel's turning black. Well, that's because of the aluminum, the metal that's inside of this resin casting is doing that. It's really neat, but you can already see, doesn't that look kind of translucent? It is awesome how quickly this stuff polishes up. Now I'm going to switch over here, get a little dab of the fine paste. Well, that's plenty right there. Just apply it on here. Doesn't taste that good, I can tell you that. Now watch the reflection in there from the lights. See how sharp it gets? That is so cool. Now ideally you want to take probably about 30-40 seconds and work this in, or maybe a minute. Just take your time, there's no rush on it, but let's go ahead and stop and see what it looks like. Oh, isn't that beautiful?